How to log in on Axis credit card online account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Axis Bank credit card account online. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Axis Bank website. Type on axisbank.com and hit enter. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. On the login option page, you will see the several options. Select credit card to proceed. Now you will be taken towards the login page. Tap on the yes option as an existing Axis Bank customer. Now you can see the interface. You can tap on the mobile number section or the customer ID section, whichever you are comfortable with. In the mobile number section, type in the mobile number, date of birth, and all the details needed. If everything is correct, you will be logged in into your credit card account. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Axis Bank credit card account. From here, you can check your balance, view transaction, make payments, and manage your account. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.